Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Microsoft 2019 version. Before doing that, I want you to go to settings. Once you go to settings, here you can click on this thing, and here you have to go to update and security. After clicking on this, you will find this interface, and you have to go in Windows security. After that, you have to click on this thing, and when you click on that thing, it will bring you here virus and threat protection settings. Click on manage settings, go here and disable this thing. Say yes, I want to disable this and this. Everything should be disabled so that we can install that Microsoft version 2019. And here also you can find this virus and threat protection. Go here. I think this is not necessary, by the way. We have done everything, so you can do what you can do is that exit from here. Okay, after exiting from there, you will get this file. I will provide this in my description. From there you can download this Windows Office. Right click on this thing and click on file extract, select desktop, and here click on this thing. After doing that, you will get this extracted file. Click on this thing and right click on run as administrator. Click on this thing. Okay, you will open this interface. We have to wait. Now this interface of downloading will start. Here you need a powerful internet connection, or I think you need minimum 500 MB or 1 GB of internet, so that you can download this without any errors or something. We have to wait until it's get downloaded. It will take time. We have to just wait until it's get installed. Every other applications like Word, PowerPoint, Publisher, Excel, all those things, we have to just wait until it's get done. Be patient until it's get done, because it will take a time, 15 minutes, something like that. We have to wait until it's get done. It is installing everything. So once it is done, it will show you that once it is done, it will show you like this. You just close this interface. After that, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to right click this thing, and I'm going to run as administrator. I'm going to click on this thing and say yes. After that, it will take time to activate. We have to just wait until it get activated. It is activating our office. You have to just take it will take time, few minutes. Let us wait. Oh, wait a second. Oh, now it is our product is the product is successfully activated, and it is showing me that would you like to visit our website or something. No, I'm gonna say no. Then I think we have done with this thing. You have to minimize that and refresh. After that, once you go here, type Word, and I'm gonna open this thing. Let me check. Our Word is installed successfully, and if you want, you can cancel this and accept all these things. Automatically everything will be installed. I'm gonna cancel this, and after that, if you need PowerPoint on all those things, just type PowerPoint. Here, click on this thing. We're gonna open PowerPoint. We have PowerPoint activated. Now we have just installed this Microsoft Office 365. I hope you enjoyed my video, and please do like, subscribe my video, and share it with your friends and all, because I need more support from you. And thanks for watching my video. So have a great day.